my name is Ashe and today we'll be unboxing my LUVITY DVD and kit. Let's start with the kit. It's so freaking big, I can't believe it. And it's so funny because I was like buying photocards from the comeback and I was like, what the heck is this? And I'm glad I didn't buy anything that, because I was like a couple days later, oh, it's the DVD that I still have in Korea. It was way too heavy and that the box was freaking heavy. So yeah, I have to leave this and the summer cruise thingy behind. So yeah, I'm opening and finally open this like 5 months later. I don't know. Thank you. Yeah. We have the kit. A really big box for the kid. We have a poster, cuties. We have the photocard set. Oh, we miss something so much. This is the back. Why? You can tell this is mini. Oh. No. And we have the photo book. Sorry, it's so freaking hot in here suddenly. And I mean suddenly because it was cold or cool, I don't know, the whole day. And now I'm freaking dying. I need to turn on the AC set so I can do any commentary. So yeah, wait. Yeah. Okay, I hope this room gets colder because I'm freaking dying in here. I'm going to take off this. Oh wait, I have something more here. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I want you to see this for a second. I have zero space. Like, oh my god, I don't know where to put anything. We have IDs here. I remember seeing this and not knowing what they were. Oh my god, it's so much nicer now. And now we are going to open the DVD. So we have, let's see. Okay, so here we have this one and this two and this three. I'm excited to see this actually because I remember I bought it to see online, but they didn't have how is it called, a second time to watch it, like 2 weeks later, so I don't remember much. I do remember like the VCRs, but I don't remember too much. Here we have tiny posters, I think. Oh, they're so cute. Again, where do I put this? There, I don't know. We have stickers, more stickers, and we have another photocard set. Oh yeah, I'm forgetting about that. These are the Star Square pops that I have. Yeah, I totally forgot about it. So yeah. We have a big as photo book. Okay. Oh, the light stick. Oh, so pretty. Oh, this is different. Like the other one was like photos they did for the merch, and this is from the actual Fancon. They look so cool. I didn't even remember how they were dressed. Oh my god, I forgot about that. See, that's what I meant. I forgot that was from here. This is colorful. I remember now. Yeah, this was such a long time ago. Oh, they have the... Yeah, I remember. I'm starting to remember. I remember there was like a TV or something like that. Oh, we love it. Wait, there are colors or what? So funny. I love it. Practice. Center of gravity. There. And we have the search sheet. So that was it. I'm going to end this now because my camera is about to die. And I'll see you next time. Bye!